All right, this video is showing you the orientation you have to have, because this was rebuilt, for the plumbing or the hoses. All right, originally this was not at 90 degrees. It was sitting over here, which made this pipe sit over here, which got in the way of the throttle body. And not installation, but connection of the hoses. So this needs to be in this position. This is a 1-inch fitting that I had to use to hit it, knock it in place using a wrench and a 1-inch adapter. Right, I got the cap back on. So I'm going to install the head, but before I do that, here's some more about the plumbing. There's a hose that goes from here with a specialized fitting. This hose goes up to a metal piece, which comes up here and will go into the throttle body. I'll show you that later. All right, here's what I'm trying to show you. This is for some of the plumbing that's on the vehicle. This is the new water pump thermostat. This has to be oriented straight. When they rebuilt it, they did not put it on straight. I've had the throttle body on a couple of times, but when this is straight towards the front, if you come around and take a look over here, you will see that the tube that comes from that center portion comes straight over here, and there's clearance for the throttle body right here. So the hose will connect, and that connects to the lower portion of the throttle body, so the fluid returns or pumps up one way or the other, and it goes around to that center piece right here. Then this tube, and I'm not going to pull it out to show you, you'll see there's a tube with a special fitting. This tube that's metal, one end goes to right here on the water pump. There's a special fitting which you can't see here, so it doesn't have a clamp. On the other side, as it comes up, now mine has an air conditioner. It comes up here and mounts here. I got to go get a hose clamp for it. Got to find one anyway. And so that is the way that it fits in. Now, there is a small tube fitting that comes off the housing for the thermostat. And this piece here, and I'm not going to show you putting it in, you need to put it on this side first, and it fits, and it's a 90 degree that goes right there in between those two. And that's how it works. The big thing is to make sure that that's facing forward. Mine wasn't, so I didn't have clearance over here on this side, which I do now. All right.